Hello YouTube, I always say take a deep breath before you start rattling on. Okay, we're going to put a garage door T-style lock on my shed door because we're tired of the padlock, and we'll take you out there and show you why this will be better holding the door shut, especially in the winter time. So we'll show you real quick. See where I ground the screws? Here's what these screws look like, okay? I ground and filed them down so they'll fit in here. And then I might cover them with epoxy, so nobody can try to stick a screwdriver in there. I try to get this loose, but believe me, when I'm done, that ain't gonna do anybody no good. You can do a good try to take them screws out when I'm done. So I'm not gonna show every little of my secrets how to lock this. So let's take you outside and stick this in the door and show you why I'm switching it. Okay, we'll show you the concept. We already made this so in the winter time we can close this. We used to have a stick on the top and the bottom. Bear with me. There it is. Well, we're tired of that. This is easier. See where it hits that screw to? So I could just go like that when I come in here in the winter time. Here's where the lock's going to come through. So it's going to be basically a similar kind of lever. It's going to end up being probably even spot welded. So once it's bolted, it's going to be permanent. So let's take you outside and show you how the handle is going to go through. Okay, when we're done, our piece of metal will be like this, okay? Visualize that. When we're done, it's going to lock this way, okay? So the lever is going to come down and lock. And what we're replacing is this. See how this is all rigged up? Even the padlock, see how it never shuts? It's even warped the door. And I have some foam weather stripping in here. So it'll close tighter. So this will all be gone. I know locks are only keep honest people out, but this is going to be a lot harder to break into than a padlock. It really is. I know people can do it. Somebody's going to, I could drill that out. Well, you better hope I'm not awake because I had insomnia. This shed door is only about 12 feet from my back door. I think you know what I mean. So I got it marked for the screws. Okay. We're going to put the screws in there. And then we're going to work on making our latch, which will look kind of like this piece. See? This won't be a long video. It's not going to hurt you. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to watch it all. I'm not one to say, click the like and subscribe. If you don't like my channel, go away. No, I'm just kidding. Sometimes I'm not with the trolls. No, my channel, go away. There you go. This is like 5/16 square if you'd like to know. Now, I watch a YouTube video, you can hunt for it. They make a latch like for your old camper shell. Well, I'm going to make my own thing. I can make a square hole out of a round hole. Trust me, you'll see me do it with a file. So, stay tuned. Okay, for my convenience, I have it so the key goes this way. Okay, lock. You have to unlock it this way. Then you got to turn it this way, because remember that little lever is going to go like this. Just match like that one. And I may drill these screws out. But I'm going to fill them full of pipe. I drove them in with a 1/4 impact driver, and you can see how much wood that is. You know, the screws like over like 1 1/4 inch, 1.5 long. Yep, this will hold this shut when I'm done. So, trying to keep this short. So stay tuned. We'll work on the other piece today. It's going to take a while to make that little part. Okay, take another deep breath. We are done. Here we go. We're going in the shed. It's still kind of warm. That's the open end part of a wrench. We welded a nut in it, then welded that over the square shaft. That's the easiest thing I could find to work with, instead of finding a piece of metal and drill a hole and everything. So, there you go. It'll work. That's primer from the tractor or something. Here you go. Thanks for watching.